Good morning mga ka-feeling! This is me again on a random day. So for today's video, pumunta kami sa Lagindingan para kumain ng mga seafoods. Kasama ko sina Sir Von and Sir Ayan. At syempre, kasama ko rin ang aking buong pamilya.
You were stuck in a corner now. What are you gonna do? Are you? My family is full of I did jump. I did jump. You did. No, I can't as a kid. Sweetie, right here. Oh my God,
Kung ako ka, sulit yun eh. Pag-alin ako dyan, libre.
Kaon labang.
Ayun na hurot.
I hate. Hey, come on, you got this. No, he's too far away.
Balat ka?
Come here. Oh my God, no. Alright, girls, this is the comeback.
Ba't nagswaki ba? Wala may dyan eh.
Where is he?
Wala na siya available.
Over here, he's over here.
Tingnan na swaki mo lang. Paano naman no?
Come here. Trouble. Stupid, no, let's go.
Oh, I gotta go up. I gotta go up.
Where are you?
Nowhere, station. Nowhere.
Where are you?
Wala ko.
Oh my God, where is it?
Anything you guys
Crazy.
Yung shell dad.
It's unfortunate that it's
Kanagagmay. Ano nga nang medium?
Medium size.
Medium size. Thanks.
Kulang
Oh, I'm ready.
I don't know if you guys know this, but the Motor Soda is apparently one of the greatest things.
Walay sulod ang uban.
And also, apparently,
Ooh, what?
yeah, the reason why I keep
Ano
saying
ba?
apparently, I don't know
Kanya, walay sulod.
people say. So, I'm going to be testing out my luck today.
Naglabi mo ko. Nangwi tigsulot tigpulit ka lang.
Come on, you're totally not winning with that. Yeah, be for real.
You guys don't think I'm winning a 1 versus 3.
Kung may sulot ba, yun era na mo.
Secondly, last time
May sulot na ito. Oo. Ay, dili kasi kung ba, inani mo.
that's what the owner uses. So, I'm just gonna use it. Also, guys, I'm wearing all purple today.
Magkito guys. Magkito guys. Uno.
I love the revolver.
Duol ba? Kumuto na lang yung duol. Dali. Dili ka tagaan og soft drinks ha. Taka tagaan soft drinks pag di ka magkito.
Petro.
Ay, ikaw lang tagaan. Taka
Okay na mo, sir? Ha? 1.5 na lang po.
Agay, wala ba ko dala bakos doon. Pagkinahan ko mamuna ngalan bilak. That's all mga ka-feeling. Don't forget to like and share our video and follow for more. And leave a comment so I can visit your house too. This is Jay Rivera, Feeling Vlogger. Bye!